Do you think this is real blood? Wait, is this real blood? No, it's just an experiment. For educational purposes only. Let's make fake blood at home. Detergent powder, turmeric powder, clean water. Take some detergent powder. Mix this slowly. Take some turmeric powder. Observe the color change. Yellow-red transformation. Stir the mixture slowly. Curcumin reacts in alkaline conditions. This is pH-based color change. Some drops fall on the paper. This looks like real blood. When detergent powder-coated hands come into contact with a knife smeared with turmeric, a surprising reaction takes place. At the point of contact, the color suddenly changes. The yellow turmeric turns into a deep blood-red shade. This happens due to a simple chemical interaction between the detergent and turmeric. It creates a striking visual effect that looks almost like real blood forming on the surface. A powerful example of how everyday materials can create unexpected science magic.